Hi everybody, let's check our work on share and show. Number 1 says use the model to find the product. Here is the problem they're asking us to solve, 2 times 36. And they have done 2 groups of 36. So 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 2 groups of that. 2 groups of 36. So let's solve the problem. If I count up my ones, how many do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ones. I have 12 ones. I can break that apart because I know I have one group of 10 in there. So let's take those and we are going to move them over to make another 10 long. Okay? So I have 2 ones left. I have these 2 right here. I have 2 ones. How many 10s do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 10s, which equals 70. So let's add it up. 70 plus 2, 7 10s, 2 1s, 70 plus 2 equals 72. There's problem number 1. On the other 4 problems, we are going to use base 10 block method, partial product method, and just solving the equation method. We're doing this because you had your choice of which ones you use base 10 blocks on and which ones you use your other strategies on. All right, so here we go. 42 times 4 is our first question. So let's do base 10 blocks. This says that I have 4 groups of 42. So let's draw 42. 10, 20, 30, 40, 2. How many groups of that do I need? 4. All right, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 42 base 10 blocks. Let's add up our ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 times 1, which equals 8. So I do not have to regroup there. How about our 10s? How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10s. That equals 160 because 16 times 1, 16, and then bring my 0 over. So it's 160. Look, I have 100. So I need to take 10 of these and make it into 100. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take these and I'm going to use them to make 100. So now I have 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, plus 60, plus 8. That's going to give me my answer. That's going to be 168. Using base 10 blocks model, I solved my equation. 42 times 4 is 168. Let's see what it would look like with partial product. 42 times 4, partial product. I have a 4 in my tens place. 4 times 10 is 40 times 4. 40 times 4. I have a 2 in my ones place, so I would do 2 times 4. So 4 times 0, 4 times 4. Make sure you're multiplying, not adding. And then 4 times 2, add those together, you get 168. Or you could do this one the other way. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. All right, so that's all 3 methods. Base 10, partial product, or straight multiplication. All right. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is 32 times 6. Oh, let me get back up on my camera. 32 times 6. Let's do our base 10. That is 6 groups of 32. So 10, 20, 32. And I need 6 groups of that. That's 6 groups of 32. All right, let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 times ones. That's 12 ones. That means that I have a 10 I can move over. So let's take 10 of these. We're going to move them over and make another 10 long. All right, so how many does that leave me? It leaves me 2 ones. Okay, how many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 ones. 19 10s. 19 times 1 is 19. Move my 0 over. It's 190. That's definitely more than 10 of them. And look, I have a number in the hundreds place now. So I can take 10 of these and move them over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take 10 of these and I'm going to move them to make 100. Okay? How many 10s do I have left now? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10s left over. That equals 90. Okay? And I have 100. So all together, I have 100. I have 9 10s. And I have 2 1s. That equals 192. This should be our answer, 192. 32 times 6, 192. Let's check with partial product. All right, 32 times 6. I have a 3 in my tens place. 3 tens is 30. So that's 30 times 6. And then I have 2 1s. 2 times 6. So what is 6 times 0? Always 0. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 2 is 12. Add those together. 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. Bring down my 1. 192. We're doing something right. Yay! All right, and then just straight multiplication. Hang on. My lead keeps breaking. Straight multiplication. We need a new pencil. All right. 6 times 2. I'm going to do this side first. 6 times 2, 12. Put down my 2. Carry my 1, just like you would in addition. Then I need to do my 10s. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 1 is 192. So 32 times 6 is 192. All right, let's do number 4. Number 4 is 85 times 3. Oops, let me get that out of the way. Number 4, 85 times 3. Okay, let's do our base 10 block method. I need 3 groups of 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5. I'm going to scroll out some so we can see everything because this is a big number. So here we go. That's one group. Let's do 2 more groups because I need 3 groups of 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have 3 groups of 85. Let's start with our ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 ones. That equals 15. I have a number in the tens place, which means that I can move 10 of those over. So let's look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take these 10 and I'm going to move them over to make another 10 long. All right. So how many ones do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I subtracted 10 from 15. Let me write that correctly real quick. I had 15. I subtracted 10. That leaves me 5 ones. All right, let's count up our tens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I have 25 tens. 25 tens. What's 25 times 1? Anything times 1 is itself. And then I move my 0 over. That equals 250. I have a number in the hundreds place. I have 2. So I have 2 hundreds in this load right here. So let's count out. How many tens is 200? 20 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, there's my first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's my second 10. All right, so these I'm going to move to make 2 hundreds. That's 100 and that's 100. Right? So how many hundreds do I have now? Oh, hang on. Go backwards. So I had 250 over here. I took away 200. So that leaves me 50 left in the tens. I can count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens is 50. How many hundreds do I have? I have 2 hundreds. That equals 200. So let's add it up. 200 plus 50 plus 5 equals 255. That should be our answer. 85 times 3 is 255. Let's see what happens when you use partial product. So 85 times 3, partial product. I have an 8 in my tens place. 8 tens is 80 times 3. And I have a 5 in my ones place. 5 times 3. This is partial product. So 3 times 0, anything times 0 is 0. 3 times 8. Ooh, let's count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay, 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 5. Ooh, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I need to add together 240 plus 15. 0 and 5 is 5. 4 and 1 is 5. Bring down my 2. So 85 times 3 is 255 using partial product. One more way we could have done it. 85 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. I put down my 5. I carry my 1. 3 times 8 is 24. Plus 1 is 25. Okay? Those are my steps. 3 different ways you could have gotten that answer. 255 for number 4. All right, last but not least, we have number 5. It's $63 times 7. 63 times 7. All right, here we go. 7 groups of 63. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Those are supposed to be longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. How many groups is that so far? Only 6 groups. One more group to go because I need 7. All right. I have my base 10 block model of 63 times 7. Let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 ones. I have a 2 in my tens place, which means I can take 20 of these and move them over. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 2 groups of 10, which means I need 2 more 10 longs over here, which leaves me 1 left. I have 1 because I did 20. Sorry. I did 21 minus 1, or minus, ooh, Miss Pearson, slow it down. 21 minus 20 equals 1. That's how many ones I have left over. Let's count our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. I have 44 tens. 44 tens. What is 44 times 1? Anything times 1 is the number, and then I bring my 0 over. So 44 times 10 is 440. Look, I have a digit in my hundreds place. I can make 4 hundreds. How many tens are in 100? 10 of them. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my first 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my second 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my third 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my fourth 100. All right, so I'm going to take all of these and I'm going to make 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens do I have left? Well, I had 440, and I took away 400. That leaves me 40 left. 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, so how many hundreds do I have? I have 4 hundreds. Let's add this together. Don't forget your ones, they're important. I have 441 is my answer to 63 times 7. All right, let's look and see what it's like at partial product. In partial product, I have 6 tens, 3 ones, 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 6, 42, 7 times 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So 420 plus 21, 1, 4, 4. All right, and then I could have done straight multiplication. 7 times 3 is 21. Put down my 1. Carry my 2. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 2. 42, 43, 44. 441 is my answer. Alrighty, I hope this helps. I hope it made sense. On the next page, you are going to complete Problems for your graded page. You need to show your work. Use your strategies, please.